Have you ever wondered why some people like eating pumpkin seed? Today, we will be exploring the 10 incredible health benefits of eating pumpkin seeds regularly. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you ever throw away the seeds inside pumpkins after carving jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween? Let me know in the comments section. These humble seeds are incredibly nutritious and can do amazing things for your body. And I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't throw them out. I'm also going to share some interesting facts about pumpkins and how eating these seeds can benefit people of all ages, so stick around till the end. Pumpkins are large fruits originally discovered in North America. They were used by Native Americans as a nutritious food source and believed to be one of the most medicinal foods in the world for supporting the body and addressing various health problems. Inside pumpkins are flat seeds covered in a white husk. When removed, you get light green seeds. Some of the most nutritious, healthy, and medicinal foods in the world. The Aztecs have been using pumpkin seeds for over 7,500 years in Mexico. Today, pumpkins are often used to make jack-o'-lanterns during Halloween or delicious pumpkin pies, but unfortunately, the seeds are often discarded. Did you know that you can find organic dried pumpkin seeds in supermarkets and health food stores all over the world? Eating them daily can offer 10 incredible health benefits that you should know about. Number 1. Heart health. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest sources of magnesium, 168 milligrams per ounce. This essential mineral helps regulate your heartbeat and supports normal electrical impulses in the heart. It also helps prevent tightness and spasms in arteries, reducing the risk of high blood pressure and heart attacks. Pumpkin seeds are high in vitamin E, which improves oxygen flow to the heart and body, preventing cramping of the heart muscle. If you suffer from arrhythmia, angina, palpitations, or high blood pressure, these seeds can offer valuable support. Number 2. Prostate health. As men age, they often develop an enlarged prostate due to hormonal imbalance. This puts pressure on the bladder and urethra, causing frequent urination. Pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil are commonly used to help shrink the prostate naturally. They're high in zinc, a mineral that reduces DHT levels and balances testosterone. Additionally, phytosterols in pumpkin seeds help relax the muscles around the bladder, improving urinary flow. Number 3. Fertility. If you're planning to start a family or if you know someone who is, consider incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet. Whether you're male or female, eating pumpkin seeds can improve fertility. In men, zinc improves sperm quality, while in women, it helps fertilized eggs divide into healthy embryos. During pregnancy, eating pumpkin seeds can also help prevent birth defects like skeletal problems. Number 4. Sleep support. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, known as the calming mineral. It relaxes the nervous system and muscles, helping you achieve better sleep and treat insomnia naturally. Magnesium also aids the brain in producing melatonin, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. A study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences showed that magnesium supplementation helped improve sleep quality in 90% of insomnia patients. Number 5. Stress and anxiety. In addition to improving sleep, pumpkin seeds are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that aids the body in making serotonin. This mood-regulating chemical promotes calmness, focus, and emotional stability. If you or someone you know struggles with stress, anxiety, depression, PMDD, ADHD, Tourette's, or teeth grinding, consider eating 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds with the evening meal for 2 weeks and observe the results. Number 6. Strong bones. Our bones require essential nutrients like magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese to stay dense and strong. These nutrients are abundantly present in pumpkin seeds and work together to build and maintain bone tissue. Regularly consuming pumpkin seeds can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially for postmenopausal women who experience hormonal changes and increased fragility of bones. Number 7. Menopause support. For women going through menopause, pumpkin seeds can be a valuable addition to their diet. Menopause often brings symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, and an increased risk of conditions like osteoporosis due to hormonal changes. Pumpkin seeds contain phytoestrogens that can help balance hormones and vitamin E, which supports the pituitary gland. By stabilizing hormone levels, pumpkin seeds may help reduce the risk of breast cancer. Number 8. Healthy hair. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which plays a vital role in maintaining healthy hair. They are particularly helpful for people experiencing stress-related hair thinning. During stressful times, the body tends to deplete its zinc stores, which can impact hair growth. Zinc is essential for producing keratin, the protein that makes up hair strands. By including pumpkin seeds in your diet alongside vitamin C-rich foods and iron, you can support your hair's health and growth. Consider adding a small handful of pumpkin seeds to your morning cereal or smoothie for a nutrient boost. Number 9. Anti-diabetic support. One of the notable benefits of pumpkin seeds is their ability to help manage blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. This is mainly due to their content of vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to improve the body's cellular uptake of nutrients, which can lead to a reduction in insulin resistance. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, you may find improvements in your body's response to glucose, potentially lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes, obesity, and helping stabilize blood sugar levels. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes or you have pre-existing health conditions. Number 10. Boosted energy. If you frequently feel tired, weak, or drained, pumpkin seeds might be able to help. They are rich in antioxidants, essential amino acids, and various nutrients that contribute to increased energy levels. The combination of these nutrients can help combat fatigue, improve physical endurance, and enhance overall vitality. Try adding pumpkin seeds to your meals or snacks and notice the difference in your energy throughout the day. However, it's essential to remember that no single food can overcome the negative effects of a poor diet. To experience the full range of health benefits associated with pumpkin seeds, it's crucial to reduce your intake of processed foods, sugar, inflammatory oils, and refined flour. Pumpkin seeds can provide the energy you need to make healthier food choices, contributing to your overall well-being. I've shared 10 incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds, but remember, it's the consistent inclusion of these nutrient-dense seeds in your balanced diet that can truly unlock their potential for improving your health and well-being. How to use pumpkin seeds? There are many easy and delicious ways to include pumpkin seeds in your diet. Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Smoothies. Blend them into smoothies with a little MCT oil for added energy. Raw, just 2 to 3 tablespoons per day or a small handful. Toss them into salads for crunch and nutrients. 2. Healthy treat. Mix them with other nuts and seeds to make a healthy granola. 3. Snacking. Eat them raw, just 2 to 3 tablespoons per day or a small handful. 4. Chocolate. Mix them with sugar-free dark chocolate for a tasty yet healthy treat. 5. Powdered form. Grind them into powder and mix with meals if using medicinally. 6. Prostate issues. Men with prostate issues often take pumpkin seed oil capsules as they're concentrated and effective for urinary support. When purchasing pumpkin seeds, it's important to choose organic options to avoid pesticide, herbicide, and chemical residues that could disrupt hormonal balance. It's also recommended to support your diet with probiotic-rich foods like fermented vegetables, yogurt, and kombucha to promote a healthy gut microbiome. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the amazing benefits of eating pumpkin seeds. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families. They can also enjoy these incredible advantages. Stay healthy and happy. Until next time.